up? I am Srishti and welcome back to my channel. I am sitting down and filming after a really long time just because I have been busy with my college and caught up with other random stuff, but hopefully I'll start filming regularly and uploading regularly, so stay tuned because you should. In today's video, I am going to tell you guys my top 5 favorite makeup products which are super affordable because all 5 of them are under 300 rupees, and I use all the 5 products on a regular basis, so they work pretty well and stuff like that. Also, I do not have any makeup on my skin. I just have a little bit of lip shade and a little bit of mascara and no CC cream, no foundation, no concealer because my sleeping schedule is wrecked. It's a total whack and my skin has been breaking out so much and I need to work on my sleeping schedule. So the first product which I would like to talk about is Lakme's 9 to 5 CC cream, and my shade is beige but it is a little dark for me, and I think everyone knows about this product because it is super affordable and it is just perfect for the days when you don't want to put foundation but you also want a even skin tone. How I use it is a little weird because I take a little bit of moisturizer and I take a little bit of the CC cream and I mix it and I apply it on my face, and it gives me a natural glowy and even skin tone. So this works for me and it just retails for about 300 bucks, which is pretty affordable, and it lasts pretty long. Like, I have been using this for months and it is still not over. So yeah, it is nice. I like it. Okay, so the second product which I would like to talk about is Miss Claire's Full Coverage. It is a concealer and I don't think so a lot of people know about it. I don't know why. It is super pigmented and it works so well, guys. Like, just dab it on your skin and the blemish is literally gone, and and it works pretty well, and it is full coverage concealer, and this retails for about 275 rupees, which is really good because its quality is really nice. It is super pigmented, it glides on your skin and it does what a concealer should do. Yeah. So the third product which I would like to talk about is Maybelline's Hyper Curl Volume Express Mascara, and I have been using it for so long I do not even remember since when. And this makes your lashes look so long and so dense, and I really like this mascara. This has to be one of my favorite mascaras. Fourth product, I think all the girls know about this product and they have used it and they still use it. So it is Miss Claire's Soft Matte Lip Cream, and talking about me, I honestly have all the shades and I have repurchased quite a few shades because these are golden. They never go out of style, and the thing about these is that it gives you a matte finish without making your lips feel very wrinkly, which most of the matte lipsticks do. It does not do that and it is just perfect. And these retail for about 295 bucks. Okay, so the fifth product is again Miss Claire's Waterproof Lipfinity, and I recently purchased this because it was for like 175 rupees and I was like, okay, let's give it a try. And guys, this is a really nice thing for your lips because on one side it has a lip color and on the other side it has a gloss. So if you don't want your lips to be dry and look all matte, you can also use this gloss. It retails for about 175 rupees. So that was all about this video, and if you liked it then please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and comment down below. And if you have any video suggestions then please mention them in the comment section below, and I'll see you all next time.